All right, so here we are on the chart here. All right, so what you really need as a scalper is this one H4 candle, right? So remember the blitz model from the MMXM trader, right? And then my previous video, right? And here you can see the H4 candle has an open, low, high, and then a close, right? And then you can see that this is in some kind of structure here, maybe 5 minute or whatever. Okay, it's just a simple example. Or you can see that that is the time and this is stop point. All right, so what you need is this one H4 power of 3 classic buy candle, right? You just need to anticipate this classic buy candle, open, low, high, and then close. This will be exactly like accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution phase, okay? So, yeah. And then the classic sell candle, open, high, low, close, right? A massive sell candle, accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So what we need to focus on this particular candle, exactly this classic buy and sell candle, is the M15 stop hunts. Okay. So once we find out the M15 stop hunts, so let's say just opened up here, somewhere here, and then created a low. Yeah, it's in reversal, right? And you got a nice expansion. And now that's in consolidation. That's an M15 low, and it took the low, right? Just took the low here. And this is M15 stop hunt. So this should be happening at the exactly particular time, which is 9:30. I'll be covering the charts. Okay, we'll be looking into the charts, real examples. And then we just switch on the lower time frame for the entry. Okay, and you can see that here is an 4 hour chart, Nasdaq. Okay, and you can see that it just dipped into the internal range liquidity, and then there's our external range liquidity. It just created an swing point here, right? Closure above, wick below, and then close above. And that is our third candle and then the fourth candle. What is it? Is an open low high close and then open high low close. And that is our open low high close. Unfortunately, that was no low. Yeah. So at 9:30, you can see that this is a 6 a.m., right? At 9:30 exactly, just manipulated a low, right? M15 stop when this is an M15 time frame. And we have a range high, right? And then, yeah, we have a double purge, right? Remember the double purge from the MMX and trader. And we got this nice 9:30 manipulation. And we got a whole bias here with the narrative, right? And now you just need to focus on the lower time frame, which is in 1 minute. You just need to wait for an SMT, change in the state of delivery, and then the displacement. Okay. So with this, you can just really long this, right? That's it. You need a smooth edges at this exact framework on M15. So that is the M15 FVG. Other than this, if you don't go, have an M15 stop hunt, you can just really focus on the M15 FVG or the previous H1 candle run. But I'm gonna just break down in this video exactly the M15 stop hunts. Okay, let's dive into the charts. All right, now we are on the 4 hour chart, Nasdaq, right? So you can just see that there is a massive expansion and I really got nothing here. What do you mean by nothing here means? I didn't got my entry criteria. Okay, I need a 4 hour swing point. All right, I need a 4 hour swing point into an internal range liquidity. Then I can just really focus on the distribution candles. Now you can see that it didn't have any kind of retracement and it's been a rally towards these highs. So just go to the daily chart. Yeah, this high and the all-time high is actually, you know, 140 points away. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually 120 points away, right? And that's it. So what you need here is, let me just break down the chart here. Yeah. So we just saw the example here, right? And if I just tell you the example, another example, which I just took a live trade, here you can see just took a sell side liquidity, right? And if I just go to the daily time frame, it'll be the Thursday. I still remember that. See, this is a Thursday, right? It just took the every lows here. I just go to the 4 hour. Yes, you can clearly see that that is in key level, which is in order block plus a stop hunt, right? And then that is in daily order block. What you can see here is that is an external range liquidity run, right? And then that is our internal range. So we have an internal range liquidity, right? Yeah, key level. This is a key level, external range, and then this drawn liquidity. I can clearly see that that is our swing point. 1, 2, and just closed above. That is our third candle. And we have in some kind of news, I guess, 8:30. 8:30 driver was there. So if I just go to the 15-minute chart, right? Yes, sir. 15-minute chart. So that's our market make or buy model. You just need to wait for a news to pass. You don't need to gamble at the news. Okay. So that is our 15-minute stop hunt exactly at 8:30 driver. And that was an SMT with the YM. Okay, so YM just took out these lows and then these lows. We have an SMT. Now you can clearly see that it has an M15 FEG, right? So I highly recommend you to watch the Blitz model from the MMXM trader, okay? And then this video, it'll be very good if you're actually new to this model. This is actually specifically trading the 4-hour distribution candles, okay? We're not going to just focus on the reversals, just focus on the distribution candles, okay? And that's our raw liquidity. Now you can see it has in clean highs, right? Exactly at the premium. And that we have the FPG here. So what you can see is there's an M15 stop and there is no way to cash this trade. Okay, just simply wait there. And you can see there is a dip in this M15 FPG, and then there was an SMT with ES and YM. Okay, ES and YM didn't actually go into this FPG. You can see consolidation, expansion, manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, 930 manipulation, distribution, and that is our retracement. Okay, and I got into this trade here exactly. I got into the retracement and got the expansion to the highs at the lower time frame. Okay, so I just go to the 3-minute. Yes, sir. You can see that 10 a.m. just opened up at a low, right? I just entered exactly here at the 1-minute. 1-minute was pretty clean here. Okay, that's it. So this is how you just need to combine yourself with the distribution, right? So this is already a distribution candle and already a distribution phase, expansion, retracement, expansion, again a retracement and expansion. That wasn't little consolidation here. So price never reverses from the consolidation, right? And there we have a manipulation, and there we have a distribution. So this is how you should be trading this. Okay, so see you guys later in the next video. That's it. Backtest this yourself, okay, and collect your data